at the verse.
With the verse. Eh?
Eh?
Which kind of thing be this?
Why would they?
I cannot sleep last night since I heard the news of the dismiss of this Ifeanyi Davido song.
Eh? Huh? See, make I tell you now, in this life, no matter what they do, we could take care of our children.
How would they take care of our children?
Eh? I don't talk am before when the band all happen. I say we need, if you build swimming pool, build buy or hire
divers.
We go there for that
Swimming pool 247.
And why there is kids there? If there are kids around your house, hire divers.
Eh?
See this thing now. I never sleep since yesterday. We never sleep.
I never sleep since I heard the news of that dismiss of that boy.
Which can't this now?
All of us celebrated the boy the other day. They open Instagram for all of us. Rush go follow her for Instagram.
Yes,
because they will love good things.
Exactly.
And the trauma Igbo. It's good to have for Igbo. Can you see lose guard there like this as only Igbo? How can you lose guard? Do you know that family that you know when family any family that you enter, there must be people fighting you in that family.
Bagam.
Nobody want everybody happiness in anybody's family.
Bagam.
Otifo. As I did like this now, my junior sisters were born picking. If I see any injury for the picking, but they slap them. They don't be my. I don't marry them. They slap them. How can you lose God?
Name love. In a gari.
If they do love,
forget
your. If you want, how can you see? Everybody, see. Let me tell you. In any home where you dey, believe say na one leg you take stand as a woman.
As a woman.
No, they think say you stand with two legs. Anything can happen.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people. This video today is about Davido again. This our Nollywood actors we be twins. They come out talk say that the verse they read the verse because what happened to Davido so it shock everybody. It says since where the band joke happen, where the band speaking meme for swimming pool. He said that there all of them cry, come and say, any celebrity will still get swimming pool for us. I mean, they find something where they will say they guide that place. Make sure not they go there. You understand? So he's saying surprise now, say Davido still leaving you like that. And they get clothes where they cover swimming pool for Europe here. Me don't know whether they not get for Nigeria. And another thing where me want ask. Where those 9 people na in the house? 9 people na they get for help. Why be say those 9 people now? They don't even can see one where even if you know say this pikin not there inside house. The thing it be like say now what they plan do because I hear say they say Davido arrest all of them now. I hear say the thing it be like what they plan do because this thing not be like say. This pikin your bike because the house big. Before this pikin can't come down, go downstairs, can't go swimming pool. None of them even know. It be like what they plan because Nana Choma they happy in with Davido. Their love they sweet them. They can't just come remove this smile for this girl face. They just devil just come remove the smile for a face because. They plan this thing. Make police really deal with them. Make they confess. This thing be like what they plan, and not be like ordinary. They plan for small pikin 2 years, 3 years just come down. What a reason now? Like pikin now no fit just open door make it go down. Not lie. For pikin can't come down, they no you know at all. None of them can't even know. Until the pikin don't almost the meme for inside water for the corner say pikin they said enter inside water. I bet these people they know what they do. Make police really talk to them way. Make them confess. Whether not they plan and make they can't remove this smile for trauma face. But devil, you are a liar. Your plan not go work. When I feel safe when I do this one, the video will can't leave trauma. Una plan not go work for now. It not go work for now. God go see do one. It will born another Pekin again. The fine go still come back again. Thank you, my people. I put the video where this our brother to talk. Mona say yes, it makes sense for what he talk. Bye everybody.
At the verse.
With the verse. Which kind of thing be this?
Why would they?
I cannot sleep last night since I heard the news of the dismiss of this Ifeanyi Davido song.
See, make I tell you now, in this life, no matter what they do, we could take care of our children.
How would they take care of our children?
I don't talk am before when the band all happen. I say we need, if you build swimming pool, build buy or hire
divers.
We go there for that
Swimming pool 247.
Why there is kids there? If there are kids around your house, hire divers. See this thing now, I never sleep since yesterday. We never sleep.
I never sleep since I heard the news of that dismiss of that boy.
Now.
All of us celebrated the boy the other day. They opened Instagram for all of us, rush go follow her for Instagram.
Yes.
Because they will love good things.
Exactly.
And the trauma Igbo only Igbo. It's good to have for Igbo. Can you see lose guard there like this as only Igbo? How can you lose guard? Do you know that family that you know when family any family that you enter, there must be people fighting you in that family.
Bagam.
Nobody want everybody happiness in anybody's family.
Bagam.
Otifo. As I did like this now, my junior sisters were born picking. If I see any injury for the picking, but they slap them. They don't be my. I don't marry them. They slap them. How can you lose God?
They may love.
In a gari. If they do love,
they may love.
Forget your. If you want, how can you see? Everybody, see. Let me tell you. In any home where you dey, believe say na one leg you take stand as a woman.
As a woman.
No, they think say you stand with two legs. Anything can happen.
This home where you claim they post love now. Yeah, make it now. Let me tell you, everybody will paint you that you are not qualified to be in that home. All of Kegeri, look at this handsome boy, a promising boy, Ifani.
You know what you mean by Ifani?
Ifenyilani. Kachine Keyegiya. You lose
God there. How?
Who will train your child for you?
But if that they
you don't even know how you were shouting in Archie
for 9 months.
For 9 months. You will lose God there. Will you go and hold the maid or the guards or the security?
No, it's your force. It's your duty
to handle your
home.
To handle your home.
It's your duty to take
care
care
of that child. You cannot take care of that child. Why didn't you take it to your parents to hold it?
Grateful.
The child don't know for now. Now, what he has a woman, my brother. Only why now boom marrows. If you don't know it. Kiki is lose guard. How will you lose guard such a thing? The worst thing is that the child was in the water for many hours. Oh yeah, I know. The news was saying it. How?
Where are you people? Anybody if the child live an inch, you must look. What?
What are you saying?
We look at it as nothing.
Yes.
We are always seeing things as nothing. It's not nothing. Let us say the truth and shame the devil for the ones for this life. It's nothing. The badge on happened. Everybody was saying, you drown inside the river. This and that inside swimming pool. Everybody overlook it. I am not overlooking it anymore again. This is too much.
I have never come to my media talk about anybody.
We have never come to any of our media.
If you follow my page, you will know that I have not sit down to talk about anybody on my page. But this one pain me.
God.
That child, I love him like he's my son. Because the way they pamper, the way the child play, I love it. This is out of carelessness.
Out of carelessness.
This is very bad. When we build homes, we build swimming pool. Let's hire a divers. Or if I should ban a
swimming pool in any home. Let them ban it. It's killing a lot of people. Let us know the one that is killing us. Which kind of nonsense?
This thing.
Please, if I have not believed that is dead. But if it is dead, this thing, all the way. They used to know us in the Igbo. They used to know us as caring and the people that take
They know us that we pamper our children. We know how to train our children. That is why when our mothers die, we begin to cry. Because they pamper us. They train us. They will not like anything to happen to us. That is what they used to know Igbo people. Either lose guardian no. Saying in a kiss or in a club, happen your responsibility. Okay, we say that. Na, give me. Can you cook? Can you know
Papa since Saban?
Since Saban, the mother I've been crying. What is all this now?
See, let this continue. In fact, You see, if you have swimming pool in your house,
and you have children,
go and hire divers.
247, or you remove all the water inside.
If you don't use it, whenever appear is they should find divers that will be there. You pay them every month. They will, in fact, you give them one room in the security house. They will be there every 247, both day and night. So that all this nonsense talk. As I did like this now, I never sleep since yesterday where I had the news. It's too painful now. It's too painful. 9 months of labor. You just lose God the picking at this age.
Maybe say you go the waka. Which kind of waka go make you lose God your child?
Carry your picking, keep for your family, for your husband's family house.
Or your husband's house now. Who they take care of her?
Who they take care of her? Who do you hand it over to?
Oh God. This is bad. This is bad.
Children that do not know, even they don't know anything. They will be seeing this swimming pool like say it's nothing. There are some things that we remove from children. Both kitchen utensils. We remove it from children. Sorry. Before on tabi. This is so painful. So painful. We keep on making people crying when we're supposed to be laughing.
Yes, in this country. Everywhere, cry. Insecure when happiness. Another thing that maybe say the happiness. Because all I'm saying now is that if you build any swimming pool in your house, make sure you hire a diver that will be 247 standing there looking inside that swimming pool. Another death of child in a pool again, because this is painful. This is painful.
You call it painful carelessness. Carelessness of painfulness. Nonsense. I don't know where you need I say bregu. I don't know what they say
because he can't go.